All right, this is my new friend John.
Hi.
And we're just hanging out at this awesome park. She's also solo traveling, just like I am. And we were just sharing where we've been and everything. And she's told me that she was in South America for the past, how long was it?
7 months.
Where was your favorite spot? And where'd you go? Where'd you all go?
This part of Patagonia. North America was hitchhiking.
You were hitchhiking?
Yeah.
You were hitchhiking?
I was alone and it was amazing.
Oh my God.
I'm not putting this on YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, you're in the right place for that. Yeah. It's a Scottish thing. You have to
Land's
do...
End. Land's End.
No, we're not going to...
Basically all day today, I've been editing, watching the Dodger game with Lester. Just waiting for my hostel to open up at 3 o'clock. Pretty chill day. Not much to report. Had breakfast. I'm gonna go to the Imperial Palace tonight. After that, Shibuya crossing. Dude, what'd you say? Otani. She's an Otani fan.
Dude, everyone here is Otani. Take care, man. It's a pleasure.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure meeting you. Stay in touch, okay?
Definitely.
And just like that, I'm on to my next stop. Wow, Shibuya. First things first, I'm gonna go check out Shibuya crossing right now. This will be sweet. Oh my God, bro. Last one for the camera before I go and get food. I'm starving. Alright, somebody knocked my camera over, but yeah. Wow. Insane. I'm done. I'm getting the heck out of here because this is ridiculous. I thought they were gonna bring out dessert later, but since I'm so hungry. It's alright. 8 or 9 hours since my last meal. Let's eat. So yummy. I'm headed back to the hostel, then edit my YouTube video because I need to catch up on that and post that ASAP. It is just after 9 p.m. Just finished editing my video. The one difference between this hostel and the last two I stayed at, 5 bunkmates this time. So it's still the most expensive one. I'm paying about $70 a night. Excited to wake up and have an early start tomorrow and do a lot of exploring around this beautiful city. From Shibuya, checking out. Breakfast. Well, I'm starting the day by checking out Yoyogi Park. Okay, next stop is I'm gonna check out the Tokyo Photography Museum here. Getting that one. Looks so good. lovely moment. Check out the little lawnmower. Flower garden here. Hey, what's up? Oh, these are all the places you've been.
All the places I've been.
Wow.
So I've been to a lot of Japan here, and then you have Okinawa.
Getting ready for a night out in Shinjuku. This is the one and only night you're gonna find me out in the bar area. So let's make it count. I think I made it. Tiny.
Are you doing that because you want me to hold your hand?
This is insane. The alleyways are absolutely tiny. There are so many bars everywhere. Right, straight ahead. I mean, oh my goodness. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Japan is amazing. I need to move here. How long did it take your application for your Japan drone license to go through?
So it looked like it took 2 days. The only reason why is because I made a mistake on my application.
You son of a gun. I'm gonna wake up not feeling so good.
The hangover as you go.
Allah. You're welcome, Minnesota. We are in Golden Guy District right now. I just met my new friends from San Francisco here. We're having the best time ever. Cheers, y'all. Cheers, y'all. Cheers. Salud. You're like behind a camera, you're like, I don't know what to say. Here we go. Watch your head.
You're taller than me.
Oh my gosh.
Watch yours, man.
Try. Ah.
Or miss some more, you know?
What is this, a camera?
Watch out, you're gonna show up on YouTube.
What is your best?
Because I'm not Christian.
Alright, we're out here trying to figure out.
For a karaoke bar?
I'm so bad at singing.
Yeah.
You know what?
But when we're in Japan, that's what you gotta do. Karaoke is from Japan. Just saying, it is. But to be fair though, as a Filipino, we just do it better.
Now I'm actually in for the karaoke.
We're already here.
So, let's do it.
Oh, it's full! This is my favorite karaoke bar.
What?
This is one of the most popular karaoke bars we can't get in. Suppose the bars in Golden Guy are so popular is because it used to be just a locals kind of bar only. Like everyone used to be locals that came here. But now it's like obviously there's a shit ton of fucking tourists all over the world.
Sure.
But like that was the best part. It was an intimate scene. I miss that. Like not miss that personally, because like I never experienced that in the US. But here, it's incredible. Like just to be in a bar with 6 other people. Where do you see that in the US?
Never.
Basically do a chicken sandwich. Huh?
Wait, let me now grab it like a big boy.
Grab it like a big boy. Should I take a big boy bite?
Thailand.
Yeah.
Alright. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Bro, this tastes like a pancake.
The spicy chicken. Right now they're missing it.
That was like a solid 9 out of 10. The train has arrived. Now I'm headed off to Nikko for 2 nights. Do some hiking. First time I'm taking a limited express train. It's exciting. Woo, let's go. I have arrived in Nikko, a mountain town, and it is absolutely stunning around here. This is a 2-night trip. I'm here for tonight and tomorrow night. And then I'll be moving on, be going to Mount Fuji, Kyoto, Osaka, Hiroshima to Fukuoka. The one big change is that I actually extended my trip by 1 more week. It's like this massive dessert store. Arigato.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Have a good one.
Cheers. What's your name? You're so cute. Oh. Sun's starting to go down over the mountains. Just had some cheesecake. Amazing cheesecake. Best cheesecake I've ever had, hands down, in my life. Now, I have an hour to kill, so I'm just gonna explore the town with my bag. It's kind of heavy, but good workout. Hey, everyone's so friendly here. I love it. So cool. Wow.
Started in Hakone in the north and just drove down.
Enjoy it, you know what I mean? Saying he did an onsen like when he reached like
waterfall. But yeah, this whole marshland trek is just like on a boardwalk for most of it, and you can kind of cut over and do this loop.
That's
and
pretty
like,
cool. There's a boardwalk.
They're kind of in the forest.
Is that, that's the boardwalk one that people talk about.
Yeah, it was just a nice way to spend like a chill day.
Me too.
You're gonna be famous.
So we gotta...
Good morning from the onsen. So yummy. Here is the backyard of this hostel that I'm staying in. All right, kids, we ready for school?
Damn right we are.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Every year is different for 1 meter.
Wow, that is massive. I can't imagine driving these roads. Okay, I'm currently out here in the national park, trying to figure out what's next. The colors are absolutely stunning right now. It's gonna be a good day. Found this cute little lunch spot. This says like a 4.7 stars and like Wagyu beef stew, rainbow trout. So hungry, so this will be my lunch spot for the day. This is cool.
Sweets and drink, please push this button.
This looks so good. Sesame pudding too. Looks delicious. It's so cute. That was the best meal I have had in Japan. Came up to 2,300 yen, which $13 or $14. This is probably one of the prettiest places I have ever been. The beauty up here is remarkable. I just feel so fortunate to be here. Water right behind me, very bluish color because of the sulfur that feeds down, and there was a sign back there that was telling me this area of the water doesn't freeze during the winter time because it is much warmer, and why you see so many water birds are because they enjoy the warmer water. It's used as a greeting place for them. I feel like I'm the only tourist in this town. The entire trip so far has kind of felt like I've had so many people around me, but this is the first time I've really felt very at ease with being by myself. And this lake is massive. Oh, I don't think I've ever been as close to a waterfall start as... Oh, you're good. Unbelievable. What's up, guys? Hi. Hello. 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 Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi. That made me so happy. Saying hi to all those Japanese kids. LOL. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. The clouds have kind of dispersed here. Now you can see all the peaks. Starting to rain. Let's get my jacket on. Doing a little hiding right now from the weather. Check out this shrine though. Look at all that in his hair. Currently 3:49. Next, so 3:32 is when it picked up last. Next pickup is 4. So I got about 20 minutes of waiting time here at the bus stop. Okay, I've gone to 2 restaurants, they're both closed. I think the third time is gonna be the charm. One right there. Okay, it is 6:10. I'm waiting for my shuttle back to the hostel. I picked up some chocolate mochi. Mochi. Ganbai, ganbai, ganbai.
And you guys, what is your nationality?
My name is Lucas. Nice to meet you.
Aww.
Mexicano! You're Brazilian?
Brazil?
Yeah! Kanpai!
My issue is I don't book things until last minute.
Yeah.
I wanted to stay in Hakone tonight and tomorrow night. There's nothing available. Thank you, Scout. Good morning. Cheers. Sadly, my last day here at the Earth Hostel in Nikko. Walk out here. Showers are pretty crazy. It's basically like this old onsen. Main area here.
The never-ending conundrum of travel.
Got the So I just got the ticket. We're in line. These bonsai trees are amazing. Sleeping cat right there. This is pretty epic. I feel like I'm in a video game right now. Stairs are tough work. People behind me are all resting. So one of the old emperor's burial grounds was up at the top there. He was buried in 1617 and has not been entombed ever since. Out of the main shrine, and look how many people are here. Oh my gosh. Tree in front of me is a very lucky tree. The two are joined at the base, supposed to bring you luck in finding a marriage partner. Not that that applies to anybody. Okay, just like that, I'm headed out of Nikko. Oh my gosh, so good. Hi, you're so sweet. What's his name? Her name? Chaco? Oh, nice to meet you, Chaco. Arigatou gozaimasu. All right, let's get out of here. Time to go.